You can hear
Oh, listen to everybody yelling.
Wow.
Oh, that is incredible.
Oh my God.
Now look, look at it. Oh! Whoa!
Oh my
Yay!
Look at the corona.
Stand up here,
Oh
Tammy.
my
Turn
gosh.
around. Up here closer. Up here.
Yay! A minute and a half, we can look at it without glasses.
Oh my God. That.
Oh, there's stars out.
Stars, no?
Oh my gosh, look at the Earth.
Oh my
Are there
God.
stars?
Yeah, there's a star. Oh, that's an airplane.
It's an airplane.
Oh, that'd be.
There's one! There's one to the west! A star!
Stars.
Stars! I saw two!
Look at the Tetons, Scott.
Tetons! Look at those!
That's cool.
Honey, you
Look at this.
get
Look at
away
the
from-
orange glow
you guys
around the
are in front of
horizon.
her camera.
The orange glow around the horizon.
In front of her camera.
Look at the Tetons with this. Oh my God.
Look at that.
I didn't think it would go totally dark like this.
I know.
They talk about the orange glow around the horizon.
Yeah, I was just looking at this all the way.
And the stars. The stars.
Look at how it goes all the way.
Yeah, all the way around.
Look even through there.
This is even, I mean, the 90%.
Look at the
I
Tetons.
know. The 90% didn't even come close to this.
No.
Oh my gosh.
I see stars.
Take a picture of the kids. Wow, this is crazy.
Did you see stars?
Hey, look, back up so I can see Jace or one of.
Look at the
Go
Tetons.
sideways a little bit.
Can you see the orange glow?
Solar flare.
Can you see the orange glow all the way around?
All right.
Look at you. Look at the solar flare up there at the top.
Oh, it's phenomenal. Oh, here it comes back. Here it comes back.
Oh, this is so amazing. I've never seen anything like this.
Oh, here it comes
Oh,
back.
here it comes.
Oh, take it. Just take it.
Where is
Take it. Just hurry, take it. Hurry. Put it back.
That was
That's
phenomenal.
awesome.
Oh, what an unbelievable.
Oh, I don't want it to stop.
Look
That
up there.
was so cool.
Smile.
Hurry. I want to miss it.
Unbelievable.
I got some good pictures.
18. Jason, get them to 18.
Oh my gosh, that was unbelievable.
Oh, it was so fast. I wasn't ready for it to change.
Oh, I want to see it again.
We have to watch TV now.
Yes,
I didn't think it would go that dark.
that dark.
You guys